Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Mycelium wallet account. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you haven't downloaded the Mycelium application, go ahead and open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store. Then search for Mycelium in the search box. Once you find the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet application, tap on the install button to install it. And once the installation is done, tap on the open button. This will open up the Mycelium application on your smartphone. Now you will be asked whether you want to restore a backup or create a new wallet. Now just tap on Create New. Wait for a while until your wallet is being prepared. Then as soon as you tap on Go to Wallet, your account will be created. And now you will be able to trade with cryptocurrencies using the Mycelium wallet application. So that is how you can set up a Mycelium wallet account on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.